A single dad, juggling the responsibilities of parenthood and daily life, is suddenly faced with a challenge that most would shy away from. A broken Mustang that even seasoned mechanics might hesitate to touch. But instead of backing down, he steps up with raw, hands-on expertise. This isn't about certificates or degrees. It's about real-world experience, determination, and a refusal to give up. Every turn of the wrench, every careful adjustment, is a testament to his skill and patience. What makes his effort truly remarkable is not just the technical knowledge, but the mindset behind it. He approaches the problem with a blend of creativity and persistence, thinking outside the box when traditional methods fail. The car isn't just a machine, it's a puzzle, and he's committed to solving it perfectly. For him, this is more than fixing a Mustang. It's proving to himself, his child, and the world that capability and talent cannot be measured by a resume or a title. This story highlights a universal truth. True skill often comes from passion and necessity rather than formal recognition. A single moment driven by determination can reveal strengths hidden beneath ordinary appearances. Watching him work, anyone would see that the real power lies in courage, problem-solving, and the willingness to step up when it counts most. It's a reminder that life often rewards those who take initiative, especially when others doubt their abilities. In the end, this single dad's dedication shows that real talent is not defined by credentials, but by the courage to act, the ability to think, and the persistence to see a challenge through to the very end. When the CEO first witnessed the Mustang in its broken state, he assumed it would take days, or even weeks, to repair if it could be fixed at all. The thought of a single dad tackling such a complex challenge barely registered as a possibility. Expectations were low, skepticism high. But what unfolded next completely shattered those assumptions. With focused determination, careful hands, and a mind trained by experience rather than formal education, the single dad approached the car as if it were second nature. Every detail mattered. He diagnosed the problems with precision, applied creative solutions when standard methods failed, and worked tirelessly until every flaw was addressed. The Mustang wasn't just functional again. It was flawless, as if it had just rolled off the showroom floor. The CEO, initially doubtful, could hardly believe his eyes. What had seemed impossible was accomplished not by a team of experts, but by a man driven by skill, pride, and sheer determination. This moment becomes more than just a car repair. It's a powerful lesson in human capability. True talent isn't always where you expect to find it. Sometimes it's hidden in people whose potential is underestimated or overlooked. The single dad, with no formal credentials to boast, had done what many thought impossible. And in doing so, he earned not only respect, but admiration from the highest authority in the company. The CEO's surprise serves as a reminder that brilliance can come from the most unlikely people. When given a chance, those who are often underestimated can prove themselves beyond anyone's expectations. And in this case, it wasn't just a Mustang that was fixed. It was a perception of what ordinary people are capable of achieving when determination meets skill. This single dad's act of competence and courage did more than just fix a car. It opened doors he never even imagined. By stepping up when the challenge seemed impossible, he demonstrated a rare combination of skill, confidence, and determination that could not be ignored. What started as a simple task transformed into a defining moment, one that would leave a lasting impact on both his professional reputation and personal life. In that moment, his abilities were no longer just a private asset. They became visible proof of what he was capable of. People around him, from colleagues to the CEO, suddenly saw a side of him they had never considered before. The respect he earned wasn't given lightly. It was earned through action, through results, and through the courage to take responsibility when the stakes were high. This act alone became a testament to the fact that one moment, one decision to act with confidence can completely alter how the world perceives you. Opportunities began to emerge from this demonstration of talent. Doors that had once seemed closed started to open, from professional recognition to invitations to take on bigger, more meaningful challenges. But beyond career advancement, the real impact was personal. He proved to himself, and to his child, that resilience, determination, and skill can turn even the most ordinary circumstances into extraordinary achievements. Ultimately, This story is a powerful reminder that moments of courage and competence carry transformative power. One act, executed with confidence and excellence, can redefine a person's future forever. It shows that when opportunity meets preparation, even a single dad can rise above expectations, reshape his reputation, and inspire those around him to see potential where others might only see limits.